Jamaica,
Amen.
the whole island,
Amen.
better run for your life.
That's right.
You Jamaican preachers
Amen.
have damned the people.
Go ahead.
Through lies
Go ahead.
and tricks.
Amen.
You have been influenced by America.
That's right.
America consists of lying preachers.
That's
guys, so today video kinda intriguing, very interested. I can't wait for getting other topic, guys. Yes, you may. So Pastor Kevin O. Smith has been doing a lot of damage over the past years. That a lot hasn't been disclosed as yet, but so far the lady we did to cut the goat neck and end up dead. I think her name is Taneka Gardner. Her name is Taneka Gardner. So basically that lady here say she had taken steps to remove her son and her mother name as the beneficiary on her life insurance, guys, and she end up put Kevin O. Smith name. So the controversial religious leader theme named upon the lady beneficiary thing. Like imagine say encourage, convince somebody to take them son and them mother name off of them insurance thing. Assume this man is more than a scammer, guys. He's the leader of the Pathway International Church, assume. So yesterday Smith accompanied the police to several properties in Jamaica, in St. James I should say. So he owned over 7 properties, including the big mansion we wanna see, guys. You see me? Hope this helpful to you guys. You see me? So right now a lot of different members are gathered and things said we have to see what really happened. You see me? But as far as me see, Jano guys, yo, Jano, that brother yeah wicked than some scammers, guys. I'm gonna share a video with you and on 4 minutes for yourself, think about it and see and tell me for your opinion, guys, because this more than wicked, guys. You see me?
Tide. And when you work and cut and reap, remember your 10 fingers, the decker, it means who you pay tribute to. I am your king as long as you pay tribute to me. So the day you stop pay tribute is the day you stop worship. And the day you stop worship, you can't live yourself. Let me give you the understanding. When you have a landlord and the landlord say you rent my place, as long as you pay your rent, you can stay in peace. The day you stop paying your rent, you have to come out of yourself. Me have to talk it so no get what me I say. So when people said, I can't pay my tithes, which is the worship, God's law said you must, by the sweat of your brow, you must eat bread. Hear what happened with these false prophets today that are telling people, line up. I'd rather be on the right side of this joke than to displease you wicked, nasty germs. God don't know you. The whole of you not the Jamaica umbrella of churches. Listen to me when I'm telling you something. You have misled the people of God, you false prophets, you children of Dagon.
And you know it kind of makes sense. At the right place, him could have go St. James, car. You're dangerous than them scammer, them and you. You see me, guys? I'm just glad nobody for me to go there. Church, at the end of the day, I pray for all misleaders who get misled said way. You see me? Yeah, you see me said way. But the brother is wicked, man, on a different level, guys. You see me? Can you hear him? Anyways, guys, so Mr. Vegas still I get backlash from him try to, put Bunty in a position and take himself out. You see me? Mr. Vegas is not Mr. Handsome, guys. Pretty than continue.
Organization for blood clot women that was troubled, abused, raped. None of them blood clot facility in Jamaica. How about you come up with one of that? Pussy Wull. All you have to do is look blood clot views. If you want to do something about it, do it. And stop chat off your blood clot mouth. Have you used it there, so look. And I try to bring down anybody when they're on your blood clot ship. But remember, Pussy Wull, me know one of them regular one the way underneath your blood clot. Look a post at about, and you can post them. Pussy Wull, me beat boy if you're living. Me, I want to slave master, the wrong door I want to be. All I want to look a wrong door and peep through curtain, Pussy Wull. Me, I want a personal whip. Me do this for a living, boy. So when you post me just come out to come kick out your dentures them all, boy. Because you could have been my father, you know, boy. You there start coming and tussling with me, you could have been my father in a long seed grey front, boy. Pussy Wull, you have to know that. Me beat boy for 11. And when I beat you, boy, I catch your bumbleclot and just conk you up in your little almost shine bumbleclot head. With your little pussy clot lebe mouth. Your mouth big and broad like 2 slices of bread. Not even one. Batty boy. You look unscrupulous being from outer space. All of a sudden, the young place you circulate upon social media. Because we not see you on a billboard. We not see you on a top 10. We not see you nowhere. And this alone you can circulate. You come like one poop. As you poop and smell you gone bumbo hole. Move your bumbo clot, Gigas. And go find somebody, make them shit in your blood clot, manage your day to our mouth. Your mouth coming like manage it to her. And be you look at freaky things going in your pelvis. Dirty boy. You come over here, so boy, you walk on trouble little rubber for that. And me tell you, batty boy. And not even you, me tell the whole world, like you go scrape it up like the shit you are. You go scrape it up, you go Google the top shatter. Because the top shatter, they all both, the general. You go and you scoop out all my YouTube and you realize all my YouTube greater than your one. Pussy Wull, because you stop keep from 1992. Heads high. Kill everybody know you want somebody kicking at your pussy clot, bow up mouth, batty boy. Low out the pitney argument to go search for your hit song. Because you don't want to pay one songwriter for write your good blood clot song. So you come for you can turn blood clot nuisance to the people. You look a shit carrier, you come like crab. Dirty blood clot crab. You fight down Mr. Handsome after you used to feel up him and breast in a blood clot play. When you hear that security boy, move sicky and go suck your bumbo clot granny titty. Batty boy. You come like one look of fish. Everybody have a problem with. You and ladies, sir. Missy Mama saw God in a church. Mama saw you have problem with. Everybody where you not agree with your fuckery, as long as from back in the day you and them did have sitting, you come now with your look of fuckery. All bounty killer, you man call you Gigas for a long time there. You come and trouble him, man. Pussy! Go suck out your mama and go for a man. Bumbo Wull idiot boy. Bounty want catch you. You see why you can't get blood clot Jamaica? Wait till killer catch you. Wait till blood clot killer catch you. Killer got mad. You see baby? Where you going? You want to work? Text me.
Yeah.
Huh? What you say, baby? Yeah. Okay, baby. It's that yes, love that name, you know. This is what love is supposed to be. You see how I call me vlog? My vlog, this is my job. You know, you see me I say? I'm supposed to do this. I have no low life, I have my job. I just take it up as a job. I get the platform and I take it up to voice my opinion and topics so I realize enough how to sweep under the carpet. Enough how to manipulate people if you think you don't care. When you know so you don't work more than a light beer. Pussy Wull, go from your son. You see me I say? No more manipulating of the people them. Because Gigas, you are one of them where I shoot gun in a little pitney mouth, girl at 15, a girl uncle fi beat you like a church jump. Beat you, pengelengelengelengeleng, telengelengelengeleng, bust up your blood clad face. So you have to hold your heads high, bust up your face now. Everybody have to see scar in your blood clad face for when you should be gone in a the 15-year-old girl mouth where you did a fuck. So now, you just want to take up with bumbo clad killer alone. You feel blood clad get perish under there too. You want to do your thing, them and hide. No more hiding that day as a fear one drop. Usher him out, not today. Usher him out, me say one time. Me say, yes, Mr. Jacob, take his mic. Usher him out. Take his mic. Remember, say, you know, you own a country. Mr. Jenkins, come down there. Take his mic. Usher him